Welcome back again. Well, you know how people ridicule us for hoarding things? Well, every once in a while, a bag full of 3/8 inch dowels comes in handy. I made some bird cages one time for transporting chickens, and that was left over. So it just so happened there was some in there, the exact correct length. So all I did was drill a hole 3/8 inch, and I had to sand and fit the dowels a little bit because they don't quite match my drill bit. And I used the wedge from my smoother, and we're going to try that out. In this first one, it works. In the second one, it's too long, but we can try it. And I haven't drilled the third and fourth one yet. I still have to do that. So we need a piece of wood because we can't go without the obligatory first shavings. Right? Right. So the blade is protruding, I think, just a little too much. Now it's not protruding at all. Good. So hit the wedge down a little bit. There's the blade. Come on. All right. So this plane has no wear bevel. None. And it's producing curlicues. Also, you have to remember, this is a single iron plane, bevel down. And I have not cambered this iron yet. So that could be one of the reasons why it's taking shavings more on the left and right. There's one down the middle. So you see how it's curling up? So that's not bad for some junk 2x4s. So I wanted to bring you along for the first shavings, but I don't know. You can't see the markings. You more than likely cannot see the markings. You have to mark the bed angle, the thickness of the blade, then the wedge, and your dowel is in front of that. And so then you mark the center point of the dowel, and that's where you drill. It's a bit complicated. I'm pleased with that. And I will proceed now to drill the other two, install the pins, And then I have to make wedges for each and every one of them. So this one is working on this one so I can copy this. And then if I'm careful, I mean, it does fit in this one, but it doesn't leave me a lot of room for the shaving. Let's try it. Too much blade. Yeah, there's not enough room between the cutting edge and the wedge. See? The wedge has to be up here so that the shaving has someplace to go. So that's about it for today. I hope you're having a great day. If you like this, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. You're more than welcome. Doesn't cost you anything. And share the video with other people. This is a fun project. Head out to your shop. Go make some shavings. Walter out.